Hello, sir. Welcome. The festive season is here, and I had a question for you.
Mm,
So, my
yes.
question to you is, what is the significance of this festive month in our lives, according to you?
Yeah, that's a wonderful question. Thank you for bringing me on for this quick chat. This month is being spent by friends around India and around the world with sweets and lights and celebration and families, and people play cards and people will burst crackers. Hopefully they don't burst too many crackers. It's not good for the environment. But this is really for us. It is really about going from darkness to light. We In Dasera we burn the Ravana. The burning really is of all the ills that we are afflicted by. The envy, the jealousy, the anger, the gossip, the this whole fire is meant to burn this way of living that we have identified, which is comparing with others, competing with others. These are very violent ways of existence. So, for me, the festival really signifies burning away all of these things and moving from darkness to light. There is That's what Diwali is about. It's about light. It's about identifying the dark aspects in our life, uh, and then becoming so aware. Awareness is the light. It's like switching on the button. The moment we become aware that we are being comparative, competitive, angry, we are really hurting each other through our actions, we naturally move into a space where we are more collaborative. We really take care of each other. So that is really my message for the festival.
Thank you so much for sharing, sir. This was beautiful. And here's wishing everyone a very happy and joyous Diwali.
Thank you.